It's the Benidorm Enthusiast here, and what a terrible start to September we've had here. It's been wet and it's been wild. We've had rain, we've had wind, we've had lightning storms. Definitely not the weather that our tourists coming out had hoped for. I ventured out over the weekend to check out what was going on. Our cameraman didn't come with us for this one. He's not daft like me. So let's see how the first weekend in September went down, starting with Saturday night. What a strange start to September. I mean, it's been raining, but it's not been storming, it's just been raining and cloudy and a bit dismal. We normally get a big storm, but this has just been rain. And that really fine rain that gets you wet without you even noticing. It's more like English rain from what I remember. It's not like normal Spanish rain, this. Very bizarre. This is more like Spanish rain, but it doesn't seem to stop people enjoying themselves tonight. The bars are packed out actually around here. Yeah, it's definitely getting September party crowd are back in town, and we still all seem to be having a good time. Perhaps we'll get the proper storm during the night. That would be best for everybody. This is not what tourists come for at this time of the year. They come for a bit of sun and they come for a bit of warmth, especially after all the rain that you've had in the UK. Yeah, it's raining. We're into the early hours of Sunday morning now, and the rain is getting heavier as the night goes on. I think it's going to be continuing for the rest of the night. And look at these crazy people who I've just spotted on the beach playing volleyball, 1 AM on the beach in the rain, only in Benidorm. It stopped raining! Yes, that was a pretty rough night last night, I've got to say. That nice fine rain certainly developed into a pretty torrential downpour during the night. You can see from the amount of water left on the streets this morning just how bad it was. We did get lightning and thunder as well throughout the night. Our dogs woke us up about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and they were barking at the lightning out the window, so I had to batten down the hatches, get all the blinds down, and then get them settled and back in bed. But yeah, it stopped raining. Sunday morning is dry so far, but it is really, really windy. So let's see how this develops. I'm going to go take a look at the market and see if how it's looking around there. pretty empty for a Sunday in September. That is quite shocking really, but I can't blame them, you know. I think a lot of the stall holders will have looked at today's forecast and decided to give it a miss. There's still plenty of people out doing their shopping though on the part of the market that is open, but some of the stalls are taking a bit of a battering. That wind is really, really picking up. Bars by the market are very, very quiet for a Sunday. And a lot of the people visiting here have also decided to give it a miss today. It's not cold though, it's lovely and warm despite it being grey and windy. It is lovely and warm, 29 degrees. See through the middle of the market there, there's a big hole in the market.
Saying about raining on your YouTube.
Yeah, I told you it will come in.
See?
When it rains, it rains. I think I may have spoken too soon when I said at least it's going to stay dry today. It's just started spitting again. Oh well. Let's go have a look at Levante Beach and see how things are going down there. Levante Beach then, and it's still looking pretty dark and dreary and dull down here. But it is far from deserted. There are loads of people still on the beach trying to make the most of the weather and enjoying themselves as much as they can. Don't think anybody is expecting to get a super tan topped up today, but they're just enjoying the beach for what it is. A nice place to have some fun with the family, have a swim, have a dip. Seems to have shrunk considerably low overnight, this beach. Tide's come in and it's washed quite a bit of the shore away. It actually feels like the sun is trying to break through those clouds. Still pretty windy down here though. Let's hope that the worst of it is over with and that sunshine's going to be back out tomorrow. Still no sign of our blue skies returning on Monday, and the forecast for the rest of the week is a bit sketchy as well. A bit of rain, a bit of cloud and a bit of sun, a real mixed bag. I hope it cheers up for all you guys coming out this week. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the beer mug in the corner, and also check us out on our other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok at the Benidorm Enthusiast. Stay positive and stay safe.